Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Gordon Ramsay's easy quiche. First, let's talk about the crust. A flaky, golden short crust pastry is essential. Remember to chill your dough for at least 30 minutes before rolling it out. This helps prevent shrinkage. Blind baking the pastry shell is a crucial step to ensure a perfectly crisp base, avoiding any dreaded soggy bottoms. It sets the stage for a delicious quiche. Next, we'll prepare the rich and creamy filling. For a standard quiche, you'll need 3 large eggs and 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream. Whisk these together until just combined, being careful not to overmix. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. A small pinch of nutmeg is a traditional addition that truly elevates the flavor profile, giving your quiche that authentic taste. Now it's time to add your favorite ingredients to the quiche. Think about cooked bacon, sautéed onions, or your preferred cheese. Distribute these evenly over the blind-baked pastry shell. Carefully pour the egg and cream mixture over the fillings. Bake your quiche in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes until golden and set. Once your quiche is beautifully golden and set, resist the urge to cut into it immediately. It's important to let it cool for at least 15 minutes. This cooling period allows the filling to fully set, ensuring clean, perfect slices. You can serve your quiche warm, or it's equally delicious at room temperature. Enjoy this easy and impressive dish, perfect for any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.